This is back at 1473, one of the largest abandoned machines in the world. It was once capable of moving thousands of cubic meters of earth every day. At 171 meters long, 50 meters high, and weighing nearly 4,000 tons, it was a true giant of its era. But now it stands silent, slowly becoming part of the land it once shaped. Rust, missing pathways, and towering heights make this explorer a real challenge. Join me as I climb to the top of this beast.
I know it's difficult to see on the screen, but this thing is massive. I just heard someone or something. I don't know. I'll be surprised if I'm the only one here. Look at this thing. It's massive. Man, the simple fact that this thing could drive is criminal. The noise it would make. Fucking hell. Look at these buckets. Look at them. That's some Mad Max shit. Oh. The floor is not perfect anymore. Oh. Contains asbestos. No. No kidding. Let's go with this sketchy rusted stairs. This whole thing is slanted and it feels so weird to walk on it. This is the conveyor belt that leads to those massive buckets down there. And it all goes in here, so I'm guessing that is going to be a scary drop into some... Yeah, you don't want to fall in that. Anyway, that's a drop. Yeah, I'm not going in there. So, there are ladders that go up here, but everything is rusted, so I kind of, feel like that would be fucking dumb. Man, this whole thing is a ladder of mazes. Is it what? A ladder of mazes? It's a maze of ladders. Like you have to go down this one to go down the to go up to the other one, and bada bing, bada boom. Oh, I can. Ooh, lovely. Well, looks like shit. Holy. So I'm guessing this was all part of the engine of this thing. There's a whole section behind this wall. I thought this would be like another cabin, but it's not. So this whole thing is basically that. See? That's an engine as well. There's a lookout tower over there, and I can perfectly see and hear the people, so I'm guessing they can see me as well. Here probably not, because I'm not yelling. Jesus, what the fuck? Oh. Right, so those are tin metal plates. I can see the air through them. Anyway, this is the whole engine. That's the whole engine. Oh, these grates are not great either, but because look over there, there's one missing. So gotta be careful. There's a young bird just chilling. Look at that. You see? Hey, buddy. Hey. Ah, there's its mum. There's got to be a nest up there, because I keep hearing birds. Speaking of the devil. This whole thing is so annoying to just get around. You have to go down and then up and then a ladder, and then you can't climb it because you have a backpack. Alright, well anyway, I'm gonna go up to that cabin. So yeah, see you in a second. So I decided to take out the GoPro because to get upstairs, like everything is just way too sketchy, so I thought it would be cool to film it. Anyway, let's stop talking. Alright. The cool thing is this whole thing could actually move. That's so cool. This way, there we go. Trust this a lot more. Bunch of birds up there. There we go. This is what I need. This is what I need. Yeah. There we go. Holy shit, this is sketchy. I have to make another transfer because I want to be there. Now I just need to avoid being attacked by mama birds. Also, because I know she'll be watching, but sorry, Mum. Huh. Bing. Okay, so now that we have seen this little cabin, we can start going all the way up. And I hate descending. So much sketchier. There we go. Oof. See this, I hate doing this a lot more than the climb I just did. I don't trust this. See? Man, I don't trust this shit. Oh. I'm on the wrong side. Holy mother of solar panels! Ooh, monkey bars. You can take the monkey bars down. Fuck off. Again, this whole thing is slanted. I don't trust it. And this is the ladder that we were talking about earlier. Anyway, I'm all the way up. Cool. Didn't expect that I would do that, but cool nevertheless.
Back in 1473, retired in 2002. and now faces the slow decay of time. Even though it was declared a protected monument in 2019, rust, vandalism, and the elements threaten its future.